Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You've already paired the watch, so begin. Open Messages and tap the Compose icon or pick a thread. Choose how you'll write, speak with dictation, draw letters with scribble, or tap an emoji. Dictation converts speech to text, pause to add punctuation. Scribble is slower but precise for short replies. If you see a tiny keyboard on newer models, type with the crown to move the cursor. Once you pick an input, prepare to refine your message before sending. You're composing now, so focus on clarity. If you use dictation, scan the text and tap any word to replace or delete it. Speak punctuation for cleaner sentences. For scribble, draw letters and use the digital crown to adjust insertion point when available. This helps fix one-letter mistakes. To add personality, press the More menu to send an audio message, share your location, or use tapbacks on received messages. Make sure to preview before sending. Corrections are quick and immediate. You're at the final step. Hit send and watch the message bubble turn blue to confirm delivery or gray for SMS. If you get a red error, tap to retry or pull the thread to resend from your iPhone. If messages repeatedly fail, restart the watch, verify Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, and make sure your iPhone is nearby and unlocked. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode briefly, then restore connections. That usually clears transient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.